Hi everyone! Fried rice is very tasty and popular Asian dish. Today we are going to make shrimp fried rice. Here are the ingredients. I use my hands to separate the day-old rice. This preparation will help you to stir fry easier. After you wash the shrimp, use a kitchen paper towel to pat them dry. Cut the shrimp into the smaller pieces in a bowl. Marinate the shrimp with salt and white pepper. When the oil is hot, add the shrimp. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes until shrimp turns orange. Remove them to a plate. Next, stir fry bell pepper for 30 seconds. Add salt. Remove them to a plate. Add some oil. Cook the onions for a minute. Once it turns brown, add the minced garlic. Stir fry them until fragrant. Next, add the rice. Stir fry rice for 30 seconds. Then pour the beaten eggs and quickly scramble them until they are well mixed. Add salt and white pepper. Add cooked bell pepper and shrimp into the mix. Cook for another 30 seconds. Add soy sauce along the edge of the hot pan. It makes a great aroma. Smells very good. Finally, add the green onions. We are all done. Enjoy your fried rice.
Very good. Very good.